Professor of Political Science and Philosophy, Dr. Albert Dzur has been hailed as one of democracy's most faithful champions across the globe, and for a good reason. His work crosses political, socioeconomic, and geographic boundaries of every description. At BGSU, he's led by example as a passionate instructional voice for democratic theory and criminal justice reform. In doing so, Dr. Dzur has developed an inspiring vision for ethical decision-making and fundamental social change, known as democratic professionalism, a conceptual framework that calls on people from all walks of life to participate equally in the daily business of transforming neighborhoods, re-energizing schools, reforming health systems, and reshaping debate for the better. Outside of Bowling Green State University, he is a nationally and internationally honored teacher, author, and public speaker who counts 29 substantive publications in leading journals to his credit, along with 5 books, and perhaps most impressively, a 2017 Lawrence and Lynn Brown Democracy Medal from the McCourtney Institute for Democracy at Penn State University. Inside BGSU, of course, Dr. Dzur's extraordinary contributions to a deliberative democracy and beyond are valued as much by his students as they are by his peers. Now they will be recognized appropriately in an award and title equally reflective of the magnitude of his achievements both here at home and on the world stage. Distinguished Research Professor.